Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to order shared hosting. Log into the panel and navigate to the side menu. Click on the hosting menu item, and then click on Add Hosting Account. A dialog box will open. Click on the Shared Hosting tab. Here you will see a list of our shared hosting plans that you can order. You can click on the Details button to see full details of the shared hosting plan. Once you have made your choice, click on the Select button. Enter the account name and choose your billing cycle from the list. Let's choose the monthly billing cycle. Next, click on the Place Order button to place your order. Your shared hosting order has now been successfully created. Your hosting account will be created automatically after you have paid your invoice. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.